Hi, this is Matt down here at SoiLab. Just got done setting up another research trial for all of you, and it gave us a time to sit down and just really reflect on where we're at. We've just hit some big milestones with over 100,000 views of the bagged versus mulched clippings video. And that video and that research was driven by comments and input from all of you. We want to continue to do research that interests you and that's going to help you make sustainable decisions in the lawn and garden. So we just wanted to take pause and give you a genuine thank you. Really, thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for your comments. What I'm going to ask you to do now is just comment below what you'd like to see in the future. We want to continue to create content that is interesting to you, that's usable, and that helps you make sustainable decisions in the lawn and garden, and that's driven by data. Currently, we've got a bunch of studies queued up and in process for SoiLab to produce content for you, but that being said, we still want to know what you want to see. So why don't you please comment below and tell us what it is that you'd like to see later on this growing season. Research, trials, how-tos, let us know. Nothing's off limits. We're really looking forward to the interaction and helping drive those decisions in your lawn and garden. Thanks for your input. Thanks for helping us build this community. Thanks for your views. And please like, subscribe, share if you want to, and I'll see you in the lab.